everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I actually ordered a lot of things from BH Cosmetics, so I actually was trying to separate them because I know I just did one recently, but this is still pretty new, so I thought, you know what, while it's still new and fresh, I would do a video on it. And this is the Cosmetics Love in London. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I was going to do an eye look, the rest of the face, nah, and swatches. And, you know, give you guys my first impression and review it. You know, I did like the last BH Cosmetics, and I figure, you know, let's see another one. Let's see if this one's good because this is new. I think they're doing like different places in the world, different palettes representing those places, which is a really cool idea, actually. Very cool. So before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. I really need to learn how to rap. Ching, ching, ching. Hit the bell, hit the bell. That was terrible. Don't even. I know. You guys are going to comment and say that was terrible, Diane, and I'm very much aware that you're correct. So there's this. Let's open it up. Let's get this sleeve off. It actually feels really nice. So there's the front. I don't know if that's... Okay, there's a mirror. Ooh, ooh. I took out the little plastic thingamajiggy. And that is the palette. It's beautiful, actually, because I never looked at it either. It's got quite a bit of neutrals, but it also has like a good pop of color, some blues, silver, gold. Very, very pretty. Or at least I like the colors. The colors are lovely. And the names are totally British, right? You know, we're going cheeky, Big Ben. Cheers. Tea. Gotta love tea. Earl Grey. Yum, yum, yum. Twinings. Delicious. Gee, do you think I like Twinings Earl Grey? I do. So does my husband. That was actually the last time I went to England. I had to go to the Twinings. It's almost like a little museum. Totally awesome. Okay, so why don't we get to the swatches? Okay, so the swatches are done. I did them off camera because they take forever and I'm really slow at it, and I feel like I can give you a really good, you know, instead of just quickly, I can give you, you know, tell you if they're buildable, all of those answers. So what we'll do is we'll start with this arm. There's that. And from left to right, top row, starting at the top, going down, is Cheeky, Big Ben, Cheers, and Tea, which is, I really kind of like those. The next one is Scone, which is a matte, Palace, which is a shimmer, Queen, which is a shimmer, and London, which is a shimmer. So there are those. Those are nice, like not even gonna lie. They go on nice. They're really, there's a few colors that aren't pigmented, you know, as great, but they definitely are buildable. I am not going to complain so far. This palette is good. It's good. Like when you guys see the next hand, you're gonna agree with me, I think. There's that. Starting from the top again, left to right, we have Lolly, Biscuit, Prestige, and Duchess. Then on the very bottom row, we have Lovely, Piccadilly, Crumpet, and Posh. They do say posh a lot. It's so weird. So, as you can see, I dug right in there. And they are nice. Very nice, actually. So what I figured I would do is I will take these off now that you guys have seen the swatches. So far, so good. My first impressions are good. Now let's see how they go on the eyes, right? Because it could go on the eyes like not good, and then what's the point, right? There, I got a mirror so that I'm not holding it in my face all the time, which is, I don't know why I can't hold a mirror, and I really have a hard time with that. I don't know why. It's just a really, really, really difficult thing for me. So I am looking for my eyelid primer stuff. Okay, so we have our primer, which is e.l.f. Really liking e.l.f. lately. So let's just get that there and there. I will rub it in. I don't know, there's something, I know I'm doing a BH Cosmetics and I'm liking BH Cosmetics as well. Lately, I don't know. Now, I will tell you that they deliver quickly. You know, $12 palette, they deliver it quickly. The shipping is you know, minimal, really minimal. And I do not live in the United States, so it's pretty cool. And they deliver it to my house very cheaply. So I figure we should, we go in with this color. What do you think? I think that's a good color. So we're going to go in with Big Ben. Actually, Big Ben's under construction. I don't know if he still is, but he most definitely was under construction last March. Which was kind of disappointing. You know, you go somewhere like England and you really want to see Big Ben. I didn't see Big Ben. He was covered up. He was all covered in scaffolding. You could see like the faces of the clock, because there's faces on all four sides. But other than that, it was just all metal covering the entire thing. That went on nicely. So let's get rid of that. Let's go in with, how about we do Piccadilly? Because Piccadilly is awesome. I went to this place called Piccadilly Circus. Awesome. Awesome. It's kind of like right near, like where they have like the theater and so on, and also Chinatown, which I actually love Chinatown in England. I figure since we're doing a British English London palette, since I've been to London actually less than a year ago, I figure we can, you know, have a little talk about it, and, you know, I can give you a little bit. Actually, what the play I went to see in London was Les Mis, which, if you ever have the opportunity to see that Broadway musical, I suggest you do. And the other one we seen was one called Wicked, about, you know, a different take on the witches of Wizard of Oz, you know. It was also very, very awesome. Very romantic and fun, and I liked it a lot. Oh, there we go. See those wrinkles? They get in there. You gotta go around those suckers. This is an older lady problem. And all you older ladies out there, I know you know what I'm talking about. I know you do. Because it's a problem. There's not a darn thing you can do about it. But work your life around it. So I was thinking, I want to do Queen. I want to do Queen. They don't have Princess on here because, you know, I would then be the big princess and I would definitely be putting on Princess. But no. Oh my goodness, that's like very, very pigmented. Let's do that. Let's see. Wow. That is like, damn. Ooh, It is good. I like it a lot. See? Oh, you gotta, being old. Being old. I hate it. That's okay though. See, my wrinkles get in the way. It's just not good. Okay. Don't be a pain in the butt. Behave. There we go. They'll behave now. Or at least let's hope so. So we got that in the inner corner as well because I'll think it's cool. And there we go on that one. Ooh, nice. I really like it. I really like that a lot, actually. Oh, you see those wrinkles? Oy, oy, oy. We're just going to blend that a little bit together. Yeah, that definitely, I need glitter glue, which I do not have at the moment. I really like this color, Queen. I'm just going to put some more on because I like it. I'm going to go all gold. I'm going gold. I'm feeling ritzy today. Yep, ritzy. Some class up in here in this house. It needs some, trust me. We need some culture. What the heck am I doing? You know, I really need to, that's an eyebrow one. Jeez Louise. Oy, oy, oy. You would think I could do it, but no. So for the under, we will use, I can't remember the color I used, Piccadilly. On our lash line. Let's get in there. That brush, not even good. No, 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 no. Let's use this one. I really like a little thin brushes along my lash line, to be honest. Yeah, that's, we're smoking that. We're smoking it out. Yes. I know I complain about being old, but like I said in the past, I'm kind of okay with it, you know, like, I'm okay, but I'm not okay. You know, I don't know, I feel that going to let myself age gracefully. I haven't got much gray hair yet. This is my natural hair, actually, believe it or not. 50 years old, and I don't have a lot of hair. But I don't have gray hair either, which is kind of weird, right? So weird. So, I am really liking the gold. I could just sit here all day. Oh, I gotta stop because I could. So, why don't we get us an eyeliner? We got mascara. We do. Because, you know, I'm so freaking organized. This was actually a spontaneous video, in case you're wondering. So we're going to use the Eyeshadow, which I got, I think, in the pink one. Ipsy Glam Bag. So, let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can do this. You know what I mean? I gotta pull that apart because otherwise it does not go on very well at all. It just doesn't. It's just, you know, those wrinkles get in the way, and unfortunately I screw up every freaking time. You would think because I'm a lefty that I would be better on the left eye, but I'm just not. I'm just terrible. Wish I could do wings though, but unfortunately I I just can't. Because my wrinkles fold over and they disappear. But then they appear again, so it looks like a disjointed, bizarre thing. It's like, oi, 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 where the heck, what is that? Yeah, it's not pleasant. It doesn't look good at all. So let's get on this mascara. We are using the Bad Gal Bang Benefit. And I'm using it because I have it. You know, got to use it up. Then I can open my Too Faced. I know that, you know, there's controversy about him and so on, but it's about the makeup, right? Not about people. So basically, we just appreciate the makeup, and if you don't like the people, you don't like the people. I guess if you're supporting them, but I don't even think he owns it anymore. I think it's owned by L'Oreal, so I'm going to enjoy my Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. Hopefully you guys don't hate me because I do. Oh, I got some old lady eyelashes. I don't know why. I used to have really, really long, curly, lush eyelashes. And as I got older, yeah, they didn't stay like that. Madison has got, she actually has to wait a while after. She wears glasses, and she has to wait a while after she puts on mascara because she'll have like lash lines all the way down her glasses. And it's not a little bit, it's like a lot. Like, she has got crazy long eyelashes. So jealous. But, you know, once again, we're going to be happy. I don't mind that mascara, actually, this one. It's not amazing and the best thing I ever had and blah, 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 yada, 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 ma, ma, ma. But it is good. I do like it a lot. So it's definitely a keeper. This is primer. So here's my finished look. I had fun. This palette is lovely. I like it a lot. I will show you it again as I dug into it. It is a very, very, very nice palette. The price is great. The service is great. This is the second BH Cosmetics palette I've bought, and so far both are amazing. Actually, I bought a third one, but that one I'm going to put in the giveaway for April. So, but you know, I'm encouraged actually to continue. I know it's not like a huge name. You know, it's not like a Benefit or Too Faced or, I don't know, all the other ones that are out there. Kat Von D, Kylie. Gee, I could just ding, 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 name them all. But, you know, I know they're not quite that big. And that's why I'm actually going to start trying a little more indie, a little less big, and see what happens. So, hopefully you like the eye look. I like the eye look. I like the gold. The gold is totally cool. So, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I hope you come back again. I really, really do, because I love making these videos. Bye!